Welcome to Woodland Power Products. In this short video, we'll show you how to properly replace the collector bag on your Cyclone Rake. The tools you'll need are two 7/16" wrenches or sockets. Okay, let's begin. Start with the collector bag in the upright position with the side links locked in place. Next, lift the collector and release the 9 straps on the bottom of the bag. Now, lower the collector and remove the top brace. Next, starting at one end of the collector, open the Velcro strip and top zipper, if you have it, that secures your collector bag to the top of the side tube. Now disconnect the pivot bolt at the front of the collector with a 7/16" wrench and lower the side links out of the way. Next, disconnect the front and rear hinge bolts from the ends of the side tube. Now, lift and slide the tube out of the bag. Repeat these steps for the opposite side tube. Continue by removing the old collector bag and placing the new collector bag flat on the collector frame, making sure the rear flaps are at the rear of the frame. Next, place the plastic side tube insertion plugs into both ends of one of the side tubes. Now, locate the hole in the side tube for the side link installation and place the hole towards the front of the collector. Then slide the side tube into the pockets of the collector bag. Slide the tube evenly for least resistance. When the side tube is completely inserted, remove the plugs and secure the Velcro flaps. Fold the flap attached to the top of the bag over the tube and then secure with the other Velcro flap. Be sure to align the flaps properly and press firmly. Now you're ready to fasten the side tubes to the collector frame and side links. There are two styles of collectors: collectors with plastic wear blocks and collectors without. The process is the same for both. Starting on one side, reinstall the front and rear hinge bolts at the bottom of the collector. If your Cyclone Rake is equipped with plastic wear blocks, place the hinge bolt through the plastic wear block and the hinge bracket. Be sure the bolt heads and wear block are installed on the inside, facing the collector bag, and the bolt heads sit flush with the plastic wear block. Then loosely secure the nylon lock nut. Do not over-tighten the bolts. The tube must be free to rotate in the hinge bracket. Next, reinstall the pivot bolt. If your Cyclone Rake is equipped with plastic spacers, place the round spacer on the inside of the tube and the square one on the outside between the tube and the side link. Then install the bolt with the head on the inside and loosely secure with the nylon lock nut. Do not over-tighten the bolts. The tube and side link must be free to rotate. Repeat on the other side of the collector. Once both sides are secure, reinstall the top brace. Then, lift the collector and fasten the 9 straps at the bottom of the bag. Be sure each strap straddles 2 wires. The center strap should straddle 2 wires, plus the square center tube. That's it. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for more great how-to videos from Cyclone Rake.